Hi students, today we will discuss one of the important topic, that is binding of carbon with other elements and functional groups in a carbon compounds. Now today in this class mainly we will discuss about functional group. Functional group. So what is the functional group? Due to adding of small element, the entire functions of a compound will be changed. The added element or the group are simply called, it is the functional group. For example, once you can look at here, and here it is a methane structure, and here it is a methane structure. Here in the methane, in place of one hydrogen, just I am adding OH. And in that time it will form new compound, that is the methanol. And here it is the methane. In the methane and methanol is here, just it is removing one hydrogen. In place of hydrogen it is adding OH and it will form like a methanol. Due to adding of OH group, the entire functions of a methane will be changed, and here methane is a gas and here methanol is a one of the alcoholic product. Due to adding of the small group, the entire functions of a compound will be changed. The added group simply called, it is the functional group. Now we will discuss different types of functional groups. Carbon compounds with carbon, hydrogen, halogen. Carbon compounds with carbon, hydrogen and halogen. Carbon compounds with carbon, hydrogen and halogen. Compound containing carbon, hydrogen along with the halogens, they are represented as the halogens. So what is the meaning of the halogen? The 17th group element. So what is the meaning of the 17th group? Like a fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. These are the 17th group element. The 17th group element are called as the halogen family. So in case if the carbon is binding with the halogens, in that time the formation of the compounds are called carbon halides. For example, in the methane it is adding one chlorine, and in that time it will form methyl chloride. So what is the methane and what is the methyl? Once you can look at here, for example, it is the methane. In the methane, just I am removing one hydrogen. In that time it will form CH3 group. The CH3 group is called as the methyl. Now here the given compound name is the methyl chloride. And here they are the two carbons are present in the given chain. So the root word is the ethyl and the bromine is added here. That's why the compound name is the ethyl bromide. And here in this structure there are two carbons are present. And in one carbon it is attached to the chlorine and another carbon it is attached to the iodine. So the naming of the compound is the 1-chloro-2-iodo-ethane. So this is nothing but here the carbon compound simply adding about the halogens. So these are simply called halohydrocarbons. Next one, carbon compound with the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon compound with carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon compound with the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The first one is the alcohol. And already we know that the water formula is H2O. H2O, and it is a water structure. So in the water structure, one of the hydrogen is replaced by R. R is nothing but any of methyl or ethyl, and in that time the formation of substance is a alcohol. For example, CH3 CH2OH, and here it is the ethyl alcohol. And here in the hydrogen atom of water molecule is replaced by the R, we get the alcohols. Alcohol is one of the functional group, And here the hydrocarbons that contain the OH group are called as the alcohol. The carbon compounds which contain the OH group, that simply called it is the alcohol. For example, in case in the given chain there are present only one carbon and one OH group, the compound name is the methanol. The compound name is the methanol. In case they may be present two carbons, the compound name is the ethanol. In case they may be present three carbons, the compound name is the propanol. In case four carbons means it is the butanol. So the general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 plus OH. The general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 plus OH. Okay students, and it is a functional group. And next one, aldehyde. Next one, aldehyde. So what is the meaning of aldehyde? What is the meaning of aldehyde? What is the meaning of aldehyde? Here the hydrocarbon with the functional group CHO, the hydrocarbon with the functional group CHO, and in that time it will form the aldehyde. CHO, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and that simply called it is the aldehyde group. And here, for example, in the given carbon chain or in the given compound, there may be present only one carbon, and oxygen they may be having the two hydrogen, and in that time the given compound name is the formaldehyde. In case in the given compound they may be contain two carbons and it is the acetaldehyde. So whatever may be, in the last we are adding about the aldehyde. And in case in the given chain they may be contain three carbons like a 1, 2, 3. In that time the compound name is the propanaldehyde. So the general formula of aldehyde is nothing but CHO. Wherever we are finding CHO group in the given chain, that simply can assume that it is a aldehydic functional group. And next one is the ketones. Next one is the ketone. So what is the ketones? And here R C double bond O R C double bond O R. Here R is nothing but any of the methyl group, any of the methyl group. So if you are finding this type of the structure in a given compound, that simply you can assume that it is a ketonic group. For example, the hydrocarbons with C double bond O functional group are simply called it is the ketones. And there are so many types of ketones are present. For example, here dimethyl ketone. Here it is a methyl group and here it is a methyl group, and between the two methyls there is a ketone group is present, so that the compound name is the dimethyl ketone. And next one is the ethyl methyl ketone. And general formula of ketones are C double bond O R prime. Here R is nothing but any of alkyl group. Okay students, in a given compound where you find this type of the structure, that simply you can assume it is the ketonic group. Next one, carboxylic acid. Next one is the carboxylic acid. So what is the meaning of carboxylic acid? So what is the meaning of carboxylic acid? Here the general molecular formula of carboxylic acid is nothing but COOH. The general molecular formula of carboxylic acid is COOH. In a given compound, if you find any COOH group, that is nothing but it is the acid functional group. For example, in the given compound they have the only one carbon and oxygen and OH, and here it is the formaldehyde or methanoic acid. And here in the given chain there are the two carbons, and the given compound name is the acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Already we know that acetic acid means vinegar contain the acetic acid. Okay, And in case there may be present 3 carbons in the given structure, it is the propanoic acid. It is the propanoic acid. In a given structure or any given compound, you may find COH group. The COH group simply called it is the acidic group. And next one is the ether. Next one is the ether. Here the ethers are a carbon compounds related to the water molecule. For example, already you know that it is the water molecule structure. It is the water molecule structure. In the water molecule, 2 hydrogens are replaced by R. 2 hydrogens are replaced by R. In that time, it will form like a ethers. So ethers also they have so many of the types. For example, and it is one of the methyl group, and it is one of the methyl group. Between the methyl and methyl in the central they present the oxygen. So the given compound name is the dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. And next one here, there are the 2 carbons along with the oxygen and carbon. So the given compound is the ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. Next one esters. The hydrocarbon atom COH get replaced by R. COH get replaced by what? So what is the COH here? In the COH, the hydrogen is replaced by R. R is nothing but any of alkyl group. In that time, we obtained the esters. For example, CH3, C double bond O. In place of methyl, they may be present the hydrogen. It is the St group. But here, it is a present CH3 group. So that the given compound name is the dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. And here ethyl methyl ether. So the difference between the acids and esters are nothing but in place of acids containing of hydrogen, it is replaced by R or any of the alkyl radicals. So in that time we are getting the ethyl group. In that time we are getting the esters. Next one, amines. So amines are nothing but the compound containing carbon, nitrogen along with that hydrogen. The compound containing carbon, nitrogen along with that hydrogen. In that time we are getting amines. So wherever we are finding NH2 group in the given structure, that simply called it is the amine functional group. And whenever we are finding NH2 group, so it is the amine functional group. And amines are mainly 3 types. That is the primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. And here RNH2. And here once you can look at here, it is the ammonia structure. It is the ammonia structure. In the ammonia structure, one of the hydrogen is replaced by R. In that time, it will form RNH2. And just this amine simply are called, it is the primary amine. And in case 2 of the hydrogens are replaced by R, 2 of the hydrogens are replaced by R, and in that time it will form secondary amine. Secondary amine or N-methyl methamine. N-methyl methamine. And in case 3 hydrogens, 1, 2, 3 hydrogens are replaced by R, and in that time it will form tertiary amine. And tertiary amine also called as the NN dimethyl methylamine. NN dimethyl methamine. So these are the some functional group, especially we are finding while we are giving the nomenclature of organic compounds. Okay students, thank you. If you like my video, give me the like and subscribe my channel. And next video I will explain the functional naming of functional group containing of organic compounds. Thank you students.